Today I'm in a 25 Armada. This is a Platinum Reserve, and this is about as nice as you're gonna get on the new Armada. This is just gonna be a quick take on it. I grabbed the keys to this thing. We got it in today. Just driving it home. Gonna take it out and get some photos, some video of it. But initial reaction to it, exterior is everything you see in the pictures. It's big, it's bold. Driving this thing, this is exactly what I'd expect out of an Armada. Doesn't feel much different than the previous Armada. You know, driving through town, it feels good, it's smooth, it feels big as a tank. But the interior on this thing is absolutely luxurious. You got leather on the dash, top, middle, everywhere. You got some wood trim over here, wood trim over here. Nice touch, that wood trim, it's got some texture to it. You can feel it, it feels like real wood. Then door panels, it's got like a black, almost like a brushed metal look. But this, I haven't hardly driven a mile in this thing, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm ready to take it on a road trip. It is comfortable. These seats are comfortable, and the console in this thing, if you've seen any of the promo shots of this thing, this console, all this stuff, it looks gigantic. Like there's so much space. It's real. There is so much space up here. But yeah, I'm excited about this. We've got a Pro 4X model that I'm going to be taking out as soon as well. Obviously, the Pro 4X is going to be a little bit different. This thing's got a gigantic panoramic moonroof. I've just got the shade open because it's about 20 degrees outside right now. Yeah. That's it. That's all I got. All right, so I had a chance to put a few miles in this thing, drove it around. I absolutely love it. The consensus to everyone in the world is this thing is absolutely massive. I just stopped to get coffee, and the girl at the coffee stand was like, "What are you driving today?" But yeah, this thing is, I mean, I think it's fantastic out the gate. I'm gonna have to spend some more time in it. There's a lot happening in here. There's cameras, there's sensors, there's all these things that I don't understand how to work. I spent 15-20 minutes yesterday trying to figure out how to get the invisible hood feature to turn on, which was sort of silly. Probably on my part. I could have probably just looked in the owner's manual and figured it out, but I wanted to go through the systems. When I get to work, I'll show you what that looks like. It's actually pretty cool, because I'm gonna be honest with you, it's hard to see over the hood of this thing. I do like being up high. I'm not sure how the air suspension works in this thing. It's got an auto button right here. You hold down and it turns on the auto air suspension. I will say that I did turn it on, and I heard a little psst. So I know something's happening. I got into the rear passenger door this morning to throw my camera bag in, and I also heard you know, some sort of actuation happen there. So I don't know exactly how it works, but like I said, there will be some more info on this vehicle. We have a Pro 4X I'm gonna take out. This is just my first look. I'm driving this thing around, getting the experience, and me and Tom will get some more info on these, and I will share my opinion. I'll show you how some of the functions work in this thing, but until then, I hope you enjoyed the footage I got. Hope you enjoyed the live view of me driving. This dash panel is fantastic. I love it. It's seamless. It looks good. The controls here in the middle. This is a completely new setup for Nissan. This is gonna take a second to get used to. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go today. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and take care. All right, as I promised, I'll show you guys the invisible hood feature after I back this thing up. I can give you a look at the backup cameras real quick. All right, you got several different views here. You can do this view, you can do this one, which widens it, and then you can do a big wide, sort of like a fisheye angle. So I'm gonna put this thing in park real quick. So if we put it in drive, and if you, let me click through these and find the right one. All right, so it's this view right here. So this is the invisible hood. This is, you can see your tires, front of the vehicle. But if you hit this little expand arrow right here, which is really simple in hindsight, you get this really cool wide angle feature, which is actually, it feels more like what the driver would actually see, scaled down a little bit. But yeah, I think this is cool. I haven't had to use it yet, but I think it's a really neat feature. All right, guys, bye.